Hello everyone. Today I'm going to just do a very simple introduction to Salesforce. So Salesforce is the recruiter's best friend and you'll hear it over and over again for the rest of your time at the recruitment team. But it's one of the best CRM tools that I have worked with, and it really helps one keep a check on the work that we do for ourselves, to also see how it is leading to our goals and our outcomes, and three, it helps the leadership team keep a check of where we are in our journey towards our goal. So today I'm just going to show you the very basics of Salesforce. So once you type in salesforce.com, you get this page, and you put in your username and password. For new users, this might look a bit different. And if you are returning to this page from a new laptop, you might also get a verification code. Since I am using this laptop all the time, I'm going to skip that step, but don't be alarmed if you get that. As you move forward, this is your home page. It might have certain charts and graphs depending on what your team has been using, but for me, this is empty. Now, there are various options for you to choose from. You might want to search for a certain contact. You can go to contacts and click on the arrow, and you can search for the particular contact name that you're looking for. Generally, recruiters don't use this, but you can also look for organizations. When recruiters do events, they create campaigns, which is basically the event is being logged on as an interaction on Salesforce. So all the campaigns, that is the events, can be seen here. The dashboards are the charts and stuff that I was talking to you about. So the team may create a dashboard that might be visible for you. Next is the reports, which we will be widely using. So there are various types of reports, which I will explain in my next video. And this is where you can access all the reports. And that's it, right? So this is just a basic overview of what Salesforce is and what are the different sections like. You can go to the next video to understand how we create reports.